Good evening. Today we will be covering the post-market update dated the 21st of September 2023. Domestic benchmark indices closed for the third straight day in losses on September 21st, after the U.S. Federal Reserve maintained the status quo in its policy meeting, but indicated that interest rates will remain higher for longer. BSE flagship Sensex declined 570.60 points, or 0.85%, to 66,230.24, while the broader Nifty 50 slumped 159.05 points, or 0.8%, to 19,742.35. Among the Nifty 50 stocks, Adani Ports was the top gainer, rising 1.74%. Tech Mahindra, Dr. Reddy's Labs were other big gainers, adding over 1% each. M&M was the top loser in the pack, down about 3%. ICICI Bank and Cipla followed with cuts in the range of 2 to 3% as well. Talking about the corporate segment, we have shares of DelphiWorld Money hit a 10% upper circuit of 408 rupees apiece in the intraday trade on September 21st on the back of heavy volumes. The Mumbai-headquartered DelphiWorld offers money exchange services. It operates a slew of shops offering foreign exchange, demand drafts, telegraphic transfers, prepaid travel cards, general insurance, branded gold coins and inbound money transfer services. Around 8,000 shares of DelphiWorld exchanged hands at both exchanges against the monthly average of 2,000 shares. Shares of THEMIS MEDICARE jumped 5% to hit a fresh lifetime high of 1,794 rupees per share in Thursday's intraday trade after the pharmaceutical company fixed October 10, 2023. As a record date for the purpose of stock split or subdivision of equity shares. So far this year, the stock of this small-cap pharma company has surged 33%. The total market capitalization or MCAP of the company stood at 1,628 rupees crore. A record date of October 10 was fixed to determine eligibility of shareholders for subdivision, or split of every one fully paid-up equity share having face value of 10 rupees each into 10 fully paid-up equity shares having face value of 1 rupee each, as approved by the shareholders in the 53rd Annual General Meeting, the company said in an exchange filing on September 20. Shares of SJVN tanked 11% on September 21st, after the government launched an offer for sale for up to 4.92% equity stake, at a deeply discounted floor price. The government announced an OFS to sell 9.67 crore equity shares, or 2.46% equity stake in SJVN, with an option to sell another 2.46% by retaining oversubscription. SJVN OFS opens for non-retail investors on September 21st, and for retail investors on September 22nd. The floor price of the offer is set at 69 rupees per share, which is at nearly 15% discount to the previous closing price. Shares of electronics MART India Limited climbed over 5% on September 21st, after 96.2 lakh shares of the firm changed hands in a block deal worth 137.6 rupees crore. A total of 96.2 lakh shares, representing 2.5% equity, changed hands in the block deal window. Electronics MART India Limited is a retailer of electronics home appliances and consumer durables. It is headquartered in Hyderabad, Telangana, and operates stores under its several brands across Telangana, Andhra Pradesh and Delhi NCR. Shares of Anil Agarwal-led Vedanta Limited hit over 14 months low ahead of its board meeting on September 21st. The stock hit a low of 227 rupees, a level last seen on the 15th of July, 2022. In their meeting, the board will discuss issuing non-convertible debentures privately, as part of routine refinancing. The recent report by ET said Vedanta Resources is in advanced discussions with global private credit funds like Bain Capital, Davidson Kempner, Ars SSG Capital, and Cerberus Capital to arrange a $1 billion short-term loan. STL Global Limited in daily time frame is trading around 21.30 points with a change of 20%, and is trading with a net volume of around 2.593 million shares. The share price is trading above its moving average 16.55, which is a good indication for the stock. While shares are trading with a relative strength index of around 83.21. Jindal Photo Limited in daily time frame is trading around 539.45 points with a change of 19.68% and is trading with a net volume of around 2.787 million shares. The share price is trading above its moving average 419.25, which is a good indication for the stock. While shares are trading with a relative strength index of around 89.15. Prime Focus Limited in daily time frame is trading around 93.90 points with a change of 15.21%, and is trading with a net volume of around 1.99 million shares. The share price is trading above its moving average 85.45, which is a good indication for the stock. While shares are trading with a relative strength index of around 57.33. For stocks to watch, we have Adani Green looks good on current market price of 10.23. It can be bought at 10.25 rupees, keeping target of 10.48 rupees with stop loss of 1000. You can contact us from the details mentioned on the screen via a call, WhatsApp, or email. Thank you for listening the video to the end. Please do like, share, and subscribe the video for the latest updates in the market.